Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diagnosing a garbage disposal that hums but doesn't spin. Let's get started. Before working on your garbage disposal, always ensure it's disconnected from power. First, let's check for any visible blockages. Shine a flashlight into the disposal from above to see if there's anything stuck inside. Never put your hand in there. As you can see, mine is pretty rusty and a bit disgusting. If you spot any debris, use pliers to carefully remove it. If you don't see anything, let's move underneath the sink. At the bottom of the unit you will find a hole for an Allen key. Insert the key and try to turn it. The inner plate should rotate. In my case, the shredding plate does turn, but there's a foreign object in the way. It turns out one of the disposal blades has rusted off. Here is a picture of a good shredding plate for comparison. With one blade missing, the disposal is out of balance, causing the whole sink to shake when it's on. Plus, the amount of rust means it's time for this disposal to land in the garbage. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you diagnose your garbage disposal issue. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more DIY tips. See you next time.